Hi, Mark. Can we practice English today?
Of course, Anna. What do you want to practice?
I want to learn English for real-life situations.
Great idea. Let's try different scenarios.
Perfect. Let's start.
Imagine you walk into a coffee shop.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm the barista. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Wow, that was easy.
Yes, ordering coffee is common real-life English. Now you're lost in a city,
Oh no.
and you ask for help. Ready?
Yes.
I'm a stranger on the street. Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, please. How do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Good luck.
Asking directions is useful.
Very useful. Now you're in a grocery store.
Shopping time.
I'm the shop assistant. Hi. Do you need help?
Yes. Where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I always forget the word aisle.
Say aisle. Silent S. Now you're at a doctor's office.
Oh, I'm sick.
Let's pretend. Hello. What brings you in today?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way?
2 days.
Okay. I will give you medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Good job.
Medical English is important too.
Now, you're checking into a hotel.
I like this scenario.
I'm the receptionist. Good evening. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation.
Your name, please?
Anna Smith.
Welcome, Miss Anna. Here is your key card.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
That was fun.
Yes, hotels use polite English. Now pretend you visit a friend.
Okay.
Hey, Anna, welcome.
Hi, thanks for inviting me.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Make yourself at home.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Phone calls are harder.
Yes, no body language.
Let's try. Hello, this is Mark speaking.
Hi, Mark. This is Anna.
How can I help you?
I'm calling to ask about the meeting time.
It starts at 3 p.m.
Great, thank you.
Anytime. Now you're in an office.
Okay, business English.
Anna, can you send me the report?
Sure, I'll send it in 10 minutes.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Nice and professional.
Yes, simple but clear.
Next, restaurant English.
Let's try.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No. Do you have a table for 2?
Yes. This way, please.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken.
And for drinks?
Just water.
Great choice.
This is very helpful.
Real-life English is the best teacher. Now, a difficult one. Complaining politely.
Oh, that's hard.
Excuse me, my food is cold.
Could you please warm it up?
Of course. I'm so sorry.
That sounds polite.
Yes, polite English is important. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I need something for a cough.
Try this syrup.
Thank you.
Short, but useful.
Very useful.
Let's practice small talk.
I'm not good at that.
Try, how's your day going?
How's your day going?
Pretty good. And you?
I'm doing well. Thanks.
See? Easy.
Yes, I can do this.
Now talk about hobbies.
I like reading.
Say, I enjoy reading books.
I enjoy reading books.
Good.
What about you?
I enjoy hiking. Hi, I'd like to open an account.
Sure. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Please fill out this form.
Thank English is very formal.
Yes, but important. Mark, learning English feels hard sometimes.
That's normal.
What should I do?
Practice every day, even 10 minutes.
What else?
Watch movies, speak with people, listen to English.
And don't be afraid of mistakes, right?
Exactly. Mistakes help you grow.
I feel better now.
Good. You're improving fast. Now, let's do freestyle practice.
Okay.
Hi, Anna. How was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my cousin.
Nice. What did you do there?
We cooked dinner and watched a movie.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, it was relaxing.
Good vocabulary.
Thanks.
Try another one. What are your plans for tomorrow?
I'm going to study English and go shopping.
Great.
Real life talking helps a lot.
That's the best way to learn.
I agree.
You did amazing today.
Thank you, Mark.
Keep practicing.
I will.
English is a journey.
And I'm ready for it.
Great attitude.
Let's practice again tomorrow.